Welcome back, everybody, to another unplanned lesson. Because nothing I do is planned. We all know that by now, right? Turkey in a straw. So it's been a busy summer. Back for the most part, going here quite a bit with lessons. I got 3 things I'm doing today, and then I'm working on some more stuff, more traditional stuff. Been doing a bluegrass folk country jam for the last couple months. The only time I really play is when I go to this jam on Tuesdays. And so I'm kind of getting back into all this older traditional stuff. So we're going to focus on that for a little bit. I know some of you will be happy about that, some of you won't. But the poppy stuff and the rock stuff and all that type of stuff, that's never going to go away. I love figuring that stuff out, but right now it's going to be more traditional. So we're doing Turkey in a Straw. This one's a busy song. Quite a bit of picking in this. So we're gonna do I'm gonna do a quicker type lesson. I'm gonna start because I've already tabbed this out. I'll release it tomorrow on my Patreon site. So I'm just gonna do some slow versions on here, so you can look at the tab, play along. I'll try to break it down on here a little bit, but there's so much here. It's just easier if you look at the tabs and use me for reference. And then there's a couple different ways. You saw at the beginning, the single picking, which sounds really good, especially if you have other instruments. You can do the full strumming, but there is one tricky part to that. It's just 3 chords, D, A, and G. And then the chorus part, there's 2 ways of doing that. You can do it high or low. So we'll go through all that. In the tab, I only tabbed out the high parts. I don't tab out the low parts, so I might spend a little bit more time on the low parts just to get it done. Alright, so let's start this. How are my angles? It's been so long. That's no good. I need to go a little higher up. That'll work. Alright, so you remember everyone too, when I slow it down I tend to screw up some, so don't hold it against me. This is an unplanned lesson, you all. Alright. So that's the main part. Second part. Second part's easy. It's all on a beat, all on the high string. Then you do the main part again. Then you do the second part on the second time you do the tag line, you're doing it different. No, hold on. So that's the main part of the song. So those tags at the ends are easy. Let's see if I can break it down here a little bit more. 2, 1, open, 2 on the 2nd fret, open, 1, open, open, 2, 3. Yeah, see, I lost it there. You guys got the tabs. You'll be fine. So that's the first part. Second part is So the high part on that, now the low part is exactly the same, except we're doing it lower. Now, I do actually combine the two when I'm playing it now. I've got it down decently enough where I don't screw myself up with it. So you can do any combination you want once you get both parts done. Now the one tricky part on this is when you're doing the full strum. It's that note right there. Because when you're doing the strum, you're going to tend to ignore it. Throws you off, so you got to do an extra strum there. Gives you the right timing. A. So everything in that first part is D. Back to the D. The first time it stays on the A, second time you resolve it with a D, right? So the second part is still in a D. G. D. A. Same for the low part. That's pretty much it, turkey and straw. I know I'm going pretty fast over some stuff there, but like I said, I'll make sure the tab is going to come out as well. I'm so close here. Still never put casters on this tripod yet, which I keep meaning to, or even just felts on the bottom would be good. So like, yeah, I know I go a little faster, but it's the tabs will be out tomorrow, same time as this video, because this video won't go until tomorrow either after I upload it tonight and everything, and I'll take it a while. So, turkey and straw. So let's do one more round, because I like speeding this thing up as fast as it freaking can go before I can't do it anymore. quite didn't make it. Kind of skipped over some notes there. Alright, turkey and straw. That's it for this one. I got a couple more tonight, and we'll do one I'm excited about. One is catch up on another song that I promised a subscriber I would do. Yeah, practice patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.